Today we're gonna make Dominican coffee, the best coffee you will ever have. Well, I like this coffee, and since a young boy, I used to drink this coffee all the time, and we'll show you how to make it. And I think you're gonna love it. Come join with me. Let's go. We're gonna fill this with water, and it's already filled. And very quickly, Café Santo Domingo. By the way, if you want to try this coffee, the link below, and see my bio, and you're gonna see Dominican coffee. But let's get into this. Let's do this quickly. I put the coffee here. You know, it gets more fresher that way. And what we're gonna do, if you have the greca, you can also get this on Amazon if you don't have one of these. These are great to have. It makes the coffee taste out of this world. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Okay. And what I always like to do is a taste of cinnamon. Taste of cinnamon, just a little bit for the flavor. We're gonna add it on top. Mix it a little bit in there. Okay. Next, we're gonna close it up. Just like that. Bada bing, bada boom. And we're gonna put it on the stove. We're gonna put it on high. And my friend, that's it. Goes up over here. And we're gonna pour it, drink it up, and we'll see you when this thing rises up. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some sugar. A little bit of sugar onto this. One. It depends how much sugar you want. Even non-sugar is even better, okay? You see the heat? Almost ready to go. It's ready to go, people. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pour the coffee. Look at that. Come get a close up of this. Okay. And the rest I'm gonna make something nice. A real coffee. This is like, these two are like an espresso kind of thing, you know. And this one, it's like a normal double-double. You know, you put a little bit of milk, like a normal double-double. Okay. Then you go like that. You taste it. Bon appetit, everybody. Oh my goodness. The aroma. The taste. So what's the word? Authentic. So good for your soul. I suggest you guys try this coffee. You won't regret it, and it's one of the best coffee that you can ever get. It's Café Santo Domingo. Okay? 100% pure café. Pure café de Santo Domingo. Try it. Only the best. Wow. Marcelo, you want to try a little bit? Mm-hmm. Marcelo, try that one.
It's really good.
Is it? Are you lying to me?
No.
Is it really good?
Yeah.
Marcelo, don't play. Is it really good?
It's really good.
Okay, I believe you now. Guys, try this out. And
you guys should try it.
They should try it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. So, see you in another episode. One more bite, and we'll see you guys soon. You sure it's really good?
10 out of 10, it's really good.
Okay.